So we're out here on set with 4Drive TV. We're just filming a couple of episodes, and I thought I'd just, while we're deflating our tyres, do a quick little video because we're getting a lot of people ask how our tyre deflators work. One of the cool little features about this is the fact that it detaches it, which makes it that little bit easier to connect to your valve. So with the gauge detached, just screw it all the way on, making sure the collar's pushed all the way down. Once it's on, you can position this to a comfortable area to attach your gauge. With the gauge now attached, you want to remove the valve core. So this shaft here has got a little prong, engages onto your valve core. Go counterclockwise to remove the valve core until it's all the way out. With it all the way out, push that collar back in and get your reading. Simple as that. Now we've got our tyre set to the pressure we're looking for. With the collar pushed back in, you want to reinsert that valve core by pushing the shaft down, spinning it until it's neatly seated. Don't over tighten it, but you want it done up. With it done up, core back in, remove the gauge and pull the deflator adapter off. That's it.